dog. I've got a pet.
A pet? A pet?
Yes, it's a dog.
And a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof 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 woof.
I've got a pet.
A pet? A pet?
Yes, it's a dog.
I've got a pet.
A pet, a pet.
Yes, it's a snake. I've got a pet.
A pet, a pet.
Yes, it's a snake.
And a here and a there. Here a there a
I've got a pet.
A pet, a pet.
Yes, it's a snake.
I've got a pet.
A pet, a pet.
Yes, it's a bird. I've got a pet.
A pet, a pet.
Yes, it's a bird. And a tweet tweet here and a tweet tweet there. Here a tweet, there a tweet, 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 tweet. I've got a pet.
A pet, a pet.
Yes, it's a bird.
Hi, today we are going to learn pets with you. Listen and repeat. Pets, pets. Are they pets? Yes, they are pets. Pets. How many pets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pets. How many pets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pets. What are they? They are pets. Pets. Cat, cat. Is it a cat? Yes, it is. It is a cat. Cat. What color is a cat? A cat is white and black. How many cats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cats. Has cat got eyes? Yes, cat has got 2 eyes. Has cat got a nose? Yes, cat has got a pink nose. Has cat got a mouth? Yes, cat has got a mouth. Has cat got ears? Yes, cat has got 2 ears. Has cat got an apple? Yes, cat has got an apple. Has cat got a guitar? Yes, cat has got a guitar. Has cat got a book? Yes, cat has got a book. Can cat clap? Yes, cat can clap. What is it? It is a cat. Cat. Snake. Snake. Is it a snake? Yes, it is. It is a snake. Snake. What color is a snake? A snake is green, yellow, white, and black. How many snakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 snakes. Has snake got eyes? Yes, snake has got eyes. What is it? It is a snake. Snake. Let's match. Lion has got a snake. Girl has got a cat. Boy has got a dog. Guess the riddle. What is it? It is a cat. Cat. What is it? It is a snake. Snake. What is it? It is a rabbit. Rabbit. Yes or no?
Hi, Fiona. Have you got a pet?
Yes.
Have you got a snake?
No.
No snake. Have you got a dog?
Yes.
A dog. Okay. Have you got a cat?
No.
Have you got a bird?
No.
Okay. Have you got a fish?
Yes.
Thank you, Fiona.
Bye, Jim.
Let's repeat. What are they? Pets. What is it? Cat. What is it? Snake. See you soon. Goodbye.